You don't remember today, what?
Today?
Yeah, like today, like what day today be?
Today the 14th.
The 14th.
Yeah.
Of February, right?
Me know say February the month be.
Good. So the 14th of February are normally what kind of day? Like
2 weeks, you have 7 days, and you have 14 days, and you have 21 days to come to.
Boy, look for no, just look for what you have on now, my friend. If you buy one good pair of slippers and he can buy you. Me, why your man? Me and a friend. What me I do with your man? Your man favor stocky. I have to go ask you my man get US from girl.
here's some. I drink flask around.
I third buckle. Let me just say I third buckle around. Bye.
Jesus! Huh? No, my butler, fi go home. My butler. Huh? No,
Big Valentine's Day. When you're supposed to lock down with your woman, you sit down and
you don't go your mother. You don't go your mother.
You're not afraid God strike you.
Check me. Oh, for what? You take up $400, right? You win. And 100 come give me a beer. After we take $5 grand out of it, and God knows.
Hey, shut up.
Because how you look on the road?
I want to buy nothing up on the road.
You can get him sick in the hospital or dead.
What do you mean by in the hospital or dead?
Your man tell me say in the heart transplant. You have to give him what $2,700 US to go fix your heart.
Hey, you know how long me there saw people and listen what go on? How we? Are your cousin?
My big cousin.
Oh, so what kind of business you doing I bet this so I need to pay you?
Don't sir, I don't
You get it? Long time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man should be more.
We are do?